Hi there. Hope you're doing well, and Alhamdulillah, I'm also fit and fine. In this video, I'm going to share with you on important topic, which is importance of using separate landing page in our PPC campaign. There are lots of law firm owner or law firm marketer, law firm Google Ads expert, or law firm agency. They make the same mistake. They run ads and they send all the click, all the customer, all the visitor in the home page. It's the mistake. Okay, uh, because our homepage talks everything, all service, all idea or details, some content about, and all the thing actually. So if we send our whole click on our homepage through our Google Ads campaign, that's mean it's like we send all the traffic a crowded hallway. That's why our customer, our visitor, our traffic will confused when they land our homepage through our ads.